And welcome to my little friend. What do I have here? I've got a little person. It looks like a little molecule. Here's a slightly bigger one. He's a little bit bigger. What are these guys? These are Nanoputians. And so the name Nanoputian comes from, of course, Gulliver's Travels, Jonathan Swift, with the Lilliputians. Of course, we were replaced with the word nano, meaning small. Nano is 1/1000th. So a nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter, 1 times 10 to the 9th power. There's, 1 times 10 to the minus 9th power is 1/1000th of a meter, right? And so now, why were these synthesized? They were actually synthesized by James Tour at Rice University in Houston, Texas. And it's purely educational, but what's great about it is that these molecules have sp3, sp2, and sp hybridized atoms, right? So the acetylene is used at the arms, the torso, and the legs there. Those are all 180 degrees, sp hybridized atoms. There's a benzene ring, and then there's the pelvis here has sp2 hybridized atoms. So those are 120 degrees. And then the hands and the feet have alkyl groups over here that are sp3 hybridized atoms, so 109.5 degrees. And of course, the head is a 1,3 dioxirane ring. There's, of course, 2 oxygen atoms for the eyes, which kind of adds a little bit. And then the hydrogen makes a really nice nose as well. And so that teaches students what all these look like and what the shapes look like. And then you can actually go in and have the students sketch it. And, you can even, for more advanced students, they can learn how to actually synthesize these. This was actually published in an article in the Journal of Organic Chemistry, right here. And so James Tour and his colleague Stephanie Chanteau, they published this in 2003. And so they actually have the synthesis right here. And they also, you can even make other people, right? So you can have like a nano jester and a nano pilgrim, a nano Texan, of course. There's some cool stuff. You can kind of modify the hats and everything. I think the nano jester looks more like a nano bishop or a nano pope. But either way, so you can actually synthesize these and show students what everything looks like. So there you go. That is the Nanoputians, right? So there we go.